Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to log into your monday.com account from their mobile app. So if you are going to use the monday.com mobile application, so you should know that how to log in first. So first of all you have to actually download the application. So you can download it by going onto the Play Store if you are using the Android smartphone, and going to the Apple App Store if you are on the iPhone. So you will type here monday.com and then you will see this application, and then you have to actually install this application. After this we will actually open up the monday.com application here, and then in the previous video, as you know that we have create the account for monday.com, so we will just log in with that Google account. So we will click on login with Google, and then we just have to select our Google account from here, which was this one. Log into an existing account, so you just have to click on continue. And now as you can see that we are logged in through our mobile app. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.